Customer Guide 2. Problem: coin stuck. Checkpoint 1. Use of blue button. If any coin or similar thing is stuck inside the coin acceptor, then please press the blue button on the front side of the coin acceptor. After pressing this blue button, the coin or similar things will come out which was stuck inside. Now we will see the use of blue button in detail. These are all calibrated coins for coin acceptor. 5 rupees old coin, 5 rupees new coin, 2 rupees old and big coin, 2 rupees small but new coin, and 10 rupees new coin. We can calibrate any 5 coins in coin acceptor. But some people try to insert some other things except calibrated coins in coin acceptor. For example, metal plates or washers, plastic or paper, etc. These things are not accepted by coin acceptor but get stuck inside the coin acceptor, and then coin acceptor cannot accept the calibrated coin. Now we will see the solution for this issue. Pull out the connector of the coin acceptor. Carefully remove the silicone glue applied on the connector of coin acceptor. Remove it slowly with the help of tester or screwdriver. Separate the silicone glue from connector and the coin acceptor's body. While pulling out or connecting the connectors, you have to be more careful. Pull out the connector slowly in straight line, otherwise the coin acceptor pins may break. Cut the cable tie. Pull out the coin box. Unscrew the 4 screws on coin acceptor. First, remove the silicone glue applied on 4 screws. Now pull out the 4 screws. Now pull out the coin acceptor from front side of the coin ATM box. Also take out the acceptor's wires with connector. Turn on the coin ATM panel. Connect the connector straight in the coin acceptor. Insert any calibrated coin in the coin acceptor and check. Coin got accepted, and at the same time we can see the pulses and dispensing on coin ATM panel's display. But rather than inserting a calibrated coin, if somebody tries to insert a metal washer, then coin acceptor will not accept this washer. Even a coin-sized small metal plate will also be rejected by coin acceptor and will be thrown out from coin acceptor. But it might be possible that any metal plate or washer inserted in the coin acceptor will neither be accepted nor will be rejected, but it will be stuck inside. And in this situation, if calibrated coin is inserted in acceptor, then the coin will also be stuck inside. So the solution to this issue is to press the blue button on the coin acceptor. After pressing this button, the metal washer and a calibrated coin both will come out. Problem: coin stuck. Checkpoint 2. Check the sensor. Now we will see, rather than a calibrated coin, if any plastic or paper piece is inserted in a coin acceptor. We will check the consequences. After inserting a foreign body, if a calibrated coin is inserted, then this coin will also be stuck inside the acceptor. So remove the sensor installed on the right side of the coin acceptor body. And to remove the sensor, please remove the metal clip of the sensor. After removing the metal clip, please remove the sensor from its place. And remove the forcefully inserted piece of paper. And the calibrated coin which was inserted later will also come out. To put back the sensor on its original place, keep the sensor's knobs on coin acceptor's upper knobs. And then press the metal clip on the upper part of the sensor. Press the blue button front and back continuously and check. After fixing a metal clip, the sensor should move at its appropriate place. Now we will check the coin acceptor. While inserting a coin, if coin acceptor is not held straight, then your coin will not get accepted. Now your coin is got accepted by coin acceptor. We can see the coin pulses on coin acceptor's display, and we can see dispensing of water and flow sensor pulses on coin ATM box.